Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to export your Shopify products in bulk. First, visit shopify.com, then click on Login to log in to your Shopify account. Once you're inside your Shopify dashboard, click on Products. And here you will see the first page of your products if you have multiple or a lot of products. Now to export these products in bulk, simply click on this export button. A new window pops up, and for export you can export only the current page or all of your products. I will go with all of my products, and for the export format you can select between CSV for Excel, numbers or other spreadsheet programs, or plain CSV file. I will go with the first option. Hit this export products button, and as you can see, your export will be emailed to your Shopify email address. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called Shopify for Beginners today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your online store, add products and collections, manage your store pages and navigation, add payment methods, launch your store, manage it, also doing marketing for it. To get access to all of this today, plus my other available online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. And this is the email I've received from Shopify. This is the email title, export of your products. And if I hit this download link, my products will start uploading or downloading to my computer. As you can see, this is it. Let's locate, double click or open the file. As you can see, this is my first product. It's a hand soap. This is the product handle, title, body, HTML or the description. This is my product vendor, product categories, published or not, and other, the SKU, the inventory tracker, the price, the sale price, and the image. Let's open this image, and this is my product image. And this is how to export your Shopify products in bulk. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.